Okay, today we are going to talk about the stress causes and environments. It was created by me, Juan Acevedo. Okay, so first, the family environments. The family environments could be good or bad. It depends because they could pressure you to different situations. In this case, we have two situations. The first one, we could watch the two parents arguing or fighting, but and the kids are worried. They feel pressure because they can't do anything, and yeah, they are in a bad situation. But we have another situation that it's a good family and they could support, but pressure, for example, uh, they give to the child a gift. I don't know, maybe because he had a good grade or something like that. Later, we have the friend environment. Here in the friend environment, we could experience also a good or bad situation. It depends of our friends, and sometimes because of our friends, we feel pressure. In this case, the girl is having a toxic friend that the toxic friend hates her, and maybe she is gossip about her, maybe a secret, I don't know. But yeah, that's the friend environment. Later, we have the school environment. Here, it's more for social pressure, especially because when we were in the schools, we really feel that because there are a lot of people and people we could meet good people or bad people. Also, yeah, in this case, she's suffering bullying because maybe she is new in the school and she speaks different like the other students. This is a very common case. Later, we have the work environment. Here, it's in your job, especially with your boss or your colleagues, that maybe they are good or bad with you. In this case, those workers are full of work and they don't feel good. They have to work more than they supposed to have to work. Yeah. So also the boss is very rude, and this is the work environment. Also, we have the physical causes. The physical causes is for when you have stress. Is, for example, you have headache, also acne, insomnia, and others. Also heart problems. In this case, he has headache, that is pain in her head, because he is full of work. Everybody is searching him, like we can watch in this picture. Yeah, so they are telling you that you have to do this, but he can't do it. So it's it's difficult for him. Also, the psychologist, uh, stress. This is more for sentimental, and also it talks about our feelings. She's in this case she's tired, and but she's sleepy, and she has insomnia. She has been studying and working for 24 hours without sleeping. She has emotional stress and mental stress. Maybe she had a heartbroken or something like that, that she developed insomnia. And yeah, this is our causes of stress. For conclusion, I would like to say that stress causes and the environment stress is something that we control with ourselves and the people that is around us.